Hi, today we're going to be making a classic Cantonese style soy sauce chicken. First, we're going to rub the chicken all over with the Maltose syrup. Make sure that you get into all the nooks and crannies so that it's evenly covered. We're then going to place the chicken onto a rack and let it air dry for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. We're then going to grab a pot and add in the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, water, star anise, cardamom pods, and brown sugar. The amounts listed for the sauce ingredients are enough to cover my chicken 2/3 of the way when it sits in the pot, so make sure you're using a pot that's just big enough to fit in your chicken. If you're using a pot that's a lot bigger, you're going to need to adjust the amounts for the sauces accordingly. When the soy sauce comes to a boil, place the chicken breast facing up into the mixture. You can adjust the soy sauce mixture amount so that it fully covers the whole chicken when it's in the pot. I'm just doing it 2/3 of the way because I don't want to unnecessarily waste soy sauce when basting the chicken will provide the same outcome. When the top of your chicken has turned a lovely golden brown, flip the chicken around and let it sit for another 5 minutes. We're then going to turn the chicken around again so that the breast is facing up and then just let that cook for 25 minutes over a low-medium heat. Remember to occasionally baste the chicken with the soy sauce mixture so that the skin doesn't dry out. After 25 minutes, we're going to flip the chicken over again and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that the breast is fully cooked. When the chicken is ready, take it out and place it onto a chopping board to let cool for 5 to 10 minutes before you cut it up. Letting it cool will help prevent the skin from tearing when you start cutting it up. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.